Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to 3C ITians. Today in this video I will show you how to reinstall Windows 10 or how to reset Windows 10. If you are already using Windows 10 in your PC or in your laptop and you want to reinstall Windows 10, so how you can do that? I will tell you in a very simple way. So first of all, you have to click on Start menu, and when you click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Now in the settings, click on Update and Security, very last option. Now on the left side there is option Recovery. Click on Recovery and then click Reset this PC. You can see that, and then you have to click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, there is option Keep My Files or Remove Everything. So if you want to keep your files, your personal stuff, or if you want to remove your files, you have to choose any one of them, like your photos, videos, and documents. So if you want to keep my files, you have to click on that, and if you want to remove everything, completely remove everything from the computer, then you have to click Remove Everything. When you click any one of them, now it will ask you to click Next. So you have to click on Next. And after that, go with every positive response, next, and then within a half an hour or within 1 hour, your PC will be reset, and after that, your Windows 10 will be reinstalled. So that's how you can reinstall Windows 10 in your PC or in your laptop if you are already using Windows 10. It is a very simple way to reinstall Windows 10 if you already have Windows 10 in your PC or in your laptop. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.